Wow, the fish are scared. They've been hammered. Wow, they do not want to bite. They're super pressure. Oh yeah, right there. Nah, it's okay. He barely sucked it in only. See, barely hooked him. On that color too. That special color. See, barely hooked him. First fish, yeah. Small, but at least I found what they wanted.
Just set your bait, you're gonna get caught anyway.
Okay, yes.
Oh God! What did you do with my acorns? Oh, I accidentally knocked them all out.
Oh, on that special one too, look. Bam. Hook on top of the mouth. Give me the stringer, baby.
Yeah.
Here, stick it. The gills. Yeah.
Oh, it does. I think I'm killing you. I'm killing you, but I'll just sit up there.
Yeah, stick through that. Yeah, stick it through. All the way through.
Ah! I can't do it.
Okay, it's okay.
He wiggles too much. Ow!
Oh, I see the big ones over there. They chase it too. There's a lot of big ones right there. I see them now. Oh yeah, baby, I got one.
Oh, get it!
Where's the net? There's a little. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, right there, top of the mouth. Towards jig. Okay, where's the stringer, baby? That's the color right there. Hold it. Oh, right there, I got another one. Yeah.
Damn, Dad.
What's...
Instead of standing there trying to catch a fish, you actually got one. It just literally one.
Yeah, we're gonna... Not a big one, but it's okay. Come on, stringer. Have fried trout later. Ooh, that's a big one right there.
Yeah, I already bent it. Look.
Oh yeah, I got another one. Come on, Kaylee. Oh, careful. I don't see no fish, but it don't mean nothing. They're probably just shy because everybody been fishing it. Or, you know, it's empty, cleaned out. Cleaned out using that grasshopper color. Oh, I have one on. There it is. Oh yeah. There it is, guys. After two guys that I saw sitting here over 2 hours, maybe longer. Bam. There it is, on that grasshopper color. Too good, Vinny, I'm too good. Yeah, on that grasshopper color. Highly pressure, but still fish. That's good. I'll show you another technique in a little bit. And it's Potsy salmon egg on a cork bobber rig. You got a big one? Oh, you cut yourself? Yeah, throw it down, let it sink to almost all on the bottom, pop it up, jig it a little bit. We drove by here earlier and there were several people here. There it is. Come by here, there was several people camped out here, but they didn't catch nothing, you know. It looked like they were catch nothing. Vinny, just fish right here. That's what I do. I hook it on the jig head. Straight through a little bit. Back on top. Straight like this. First cast. See if I catch any. Throw it out there. Let it sink to the bottom. Slowly twitch it back. The secret is, I mean, just popping it. Cause that worm to just jiggle up and down and get a trout's reaction to it. He sees it, he wants it, he'll get it. Right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Oh yeah. Yeah. on the iron feather and then Notorious trout one. Oh yeah. Top. There it is, guys. If that don't work, then you guys didn't see that, then yeah. Got the whole pond to ourselves because everybody done gave up. Everybody done caught what they can. And skunk. So that's why I like it, man. I don't, you know, when everybody done give up that there ain't no more fishing here, I'll come in and catch them. Piss a lot of people off sometimes. Right there. Oh yeah. Catching trout on that Notorious power bait. You gotta have patience. You gotta have, yeah, just gotta leave it in there. Using that iron feather, Phoenix iron feather, Shimano Vanquish 1000. Super smooth reel, super ultralight rod. One of the best ultralight rods I fish. Oh yeah.
I'm not gonna fall. Where? God.
It's a good one.
Lucky I got stuff in my pocket.
It's a good one.
Hey, give me a count, give me it. Oh.
Yeah. That's a good one. Right there. Oh.
Damn, people. Ow.
Okay.
Finally.
How many you got right there?
This is 9.
Thì cái lên mới trầu cho lo. Kiểu của Lita.
One more. I swear, Dad.
I'll fish your stratic.
Daddy,
or whatever that is.
Look at Daddy. Daddy's so light skinned. Daddy's like a reddish.
Yeah, I'm like.
Ew. Hey, Dad, you're done.